why use LinkedIn profile targeting? Because after all, this is a smart way to bid on people in the market that have more inclination towards your business, beyond their interests and active searches. What does this mean? It means that using this feature is like adding a filter to be more specific so you can advertise to an even more relevant audience. And what are the benefits of using this feature? There are 6 reasons why using LinkedIn profile targeting in your campaigns will be beneficial to you. First, it's easy to set up. Setting up LinkedIn profile targeting has a user-friendly application. It's not complicated and only takes a couple of minutes to do it. Second, it's only available on Microsoft Ads. Having the option to use LinkedIn profile targets on Microsoft advertising has significant leverage on the type of audience that you find on Google Ads. Using this feature means that you have access to an exclusive audience on Microsoft Ads that you cannot target on Google. The third reason, you'll create content faster. If you're advertising to a highly relevant audience that knows the industry already, it will take you less time to create content for your ads. You'll manage to get your message across with more ease and effectiveness. Fourth, hyper-qualified leads, meaning that more of your leads will be valuable conversions that you want your campaign to generate. In other words, you'll see an increase in sales. Fifth, your CPA will be lower. Since your ads will be targeting a finer-tuned audience, the overall user interaction with your ads will be more valuable but not costlier. Thus, your cost per acquisition will be lower. Lastly, better account management. Altogether, this feature personally benefits you on the time you use to optimize your Microsoft Ads account. Managing will be more time efficient as your account's performance will improve in the conversion value, as well as make it easier to identify costly audience types. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit the like button below and make sure you also subscribe to our channel for more digital marketing content like this. Swim with our sharks! Join the Academy for interactive courses designed by PPC experts. Just visit us at whitesharkmedia.com/academy.